I don't ever take mine through the mud. I got it hard. It's alright. The wrap too. What's happening, guys? Mike here, living with 3M Auto Vlogging. And if you've got perforated seats, heated, cooled seats, little openings, dots, crevices inside the leather, and you're always getting junk in them, I'm going to show you how to pick that out. Wipe this, doesn't come out. All right, so what we're going to do, take our toothpick, barely touch it. You're going to get that debris out of the crevice. Then you're going to take your shop vac, just barely. You don't want to push that down in there, or you can damage your heating or cooling elements that are beneath the leather. It's as simple as that. Get a toothpick. I've got an assortment of these brushes right here that really help you get in the crevices. With vacuum cleaner alone does not do the job. So you do this, put your vacuum up here, and I'm telling you, toothpicks are a must-have for detailing cars, and I'm going to show you why. I've been over this right here about 6-7 times with my vacuum cleaner, even with the bristle brush attachment. The bristle brush attachment. When it won't get it done, it just won't get it done down in cracks and crevices. Just like that. All right, fellas, I'm hoping this video helped y'all out in some way, shape, or form. If not, catch you in the next video.